Okay guys, lalaro tayo Resident Evil 2 Remake. New game. Pipiliin natin si Leon S. Kennedy. Shoutout nga pala. Please subscribe my channel. Siyempre hard mode, kasi may idea na tayo sa laro na to eh. Natapos na natin to ng normal game, itatry natin sa hard mode. Okay, cinematic. Cinematic muna tayo guys. Cinematic. Part 1 po ito ng Resident Evil Remake 2. Hindi natin kaya mag-upload ng isang oras. Hanggang 15 minutes lang tayo sa YouTube. Bali, utay-utayin na lang natin pag-upload. FYI nga pala, dun sa live action, itong si Baboy na driver, may kasamang aso to. Pero dito wala.
Come on. Just getting good.
Makakasagasa din siya dito ng mag-anak ni Taguro. Nasa gitna ng kalsada eh. Shoutout nga pala kay Paring Bomet. Sa kanya galing sa kanyang may-ari ng dating siya may-ari ng PC na to. Bili ko sa kanya. Salamat sa iyo, Paring Bomet. Ingat ka dyan sa Canada. Okay.
What do I do? What am I gonna do?
Here we go. Younger version of Leon S. Kennedy. Okay. Yeah, right.
No one's around.
Okay.
That's weird.
Dito, yung unang try ko dito sa easy mode. Nadits ka agad ako eh. Ewan ko lang dito sa hard mode. Eh, sa totoo lang, hindi lang talaga pambata itong games na to. Para din talaga to sa mga adult.
Hello? Anybody there?
Okay.
Something's not right.
Yeah.
You alright?
Okay. Ano nangyayari doon sa likod? May nagbebengbangan ata sa
I'll
likod.
be back for you.
Tingnan natin kung ano nangyayari ba dyan. Oh? May pumipwersa. Ikaw ba yan, Didi? Wait. Sorry.
Officer, you need help?
Stay back, sir. I got this.
Oh, shit.
Freeze! I'll shoot!
Grabe ang tibay pare. Halos maubos yung 7 na bullet ko dun. Makakasurvive pa kaya ako dito? Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin to. Takbo, takbo, takbo. Huwag kayong lilingon, huwag lilingon. Huwag lilingon, huwag lilingon. Takbo, takbo. Hop! Sige. Eh, naging successful. Hindi tayo natin.
You alright?
Yeah, I think so. Thanks.
You can thank me later, when we're safe.
Holy shit.
Come on!
Surrounded sila guys.
Get in! Hold on.
Hindi nila medyo boyish yung kasama niyang babae. Medyo boyish. Parang tomboy kung gumalaw.
What the hell is going on?
I don't know. Hopefully they'll have some answers at the police station.
Wait, you're a cop?
Yeah, Leon Kennedy. You are?
Leon S. Kennedy.
Claire Redfield.
Live around here?
No. Looking for my brother. He's a cop too.
Kapalit nga pala siya ni Chris Redfield,
I don't know what to expect
yung babae.
anymore.
Isa din sa mga paborito kong karakter sa Resident Evil. Napaka-badass nun. Cinematic again. Ganda. Shout out sa mga tropa natin dyan. Okay. Ganda ng pattern. Here we go again.
Attention all citizens. Due to the citywide outbreak, you are advised to take shelter at the Raccoon City Police Station.
Okay.
Free food and medical supplies will be provided to everyone in need.
God, this is so unreal.
Police station's not much fun. They'll know something.
Isa sa pinakamahirap na part dito yung
What if we're the only ones? What if there's no
No,
survivors?
there's survivors.
habulin ka ng
Big city.
tyrant.
There has to be.
Intense masyado. Yun yung mga sasakyan guys, napaka luma. Pero akala mo nasa present day lang.
More like running.
Yeah, good call.
Leon, you gotta back up.
Guys, yan yung kanina, yung nasa truck. Yung mataba na nakabangga ng babae. Ayun, nakagat din pala siya.
Holy shit. There, get out. Get out now! Hold on!
Okay. Po! Akala ko si Tom Cruise eh, na Mission Impossible. Tibay din ang pangangatawan na yun ni Leia.
Claire! Claire, you okay?
Yeah! I'm alright! How about you?
Can't stay here, it's not safe.
Go on ahead! I'll meet you at the station!
I'll be there.
Oh, ang dami.
This is out of control.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wala akong bala. Wala akong bala. Wala akong ammo.
It's everybody.
Ha? Ah. Teka lang.